Hi, and welcome back to Naseems Accountants, where we help UK businesses stay informed and financially secure. In today's video, we'll explore how a new free cyber action toolkit from the National Cyber Security Centre can help small businesses strengthen their online defences against growing cyber threats. Cybercrime is on the rise, and no business is too small to be a target. Recent research shows that 42% of small businesses in the UK reported a cyber breach in 2024, and more than 1 in 3 micro businesses faced phishing attacks. Many small firms admit they don't know where to start, finding cybersecurity too technical or time-consuming. That's exactly what this new toolkit aims to solve. The Cyber Action Toolkit, launched by the National Cyber Security Centre (NCSC), is a free online resource that helps small businesses protect their digital assets through clear, step-by-step guidance. It offers personalised security recommendations, simple, practical actions based on your business size and needs, progress tracking to monitor your improvements over time, and it's completely free to use. The toolkit is designed around 3 levels: Foundation, Improver, and Enhanced. You can start with the basics and gradually build stronger cybersecurity at your own pace. Implementing the foundation level alone can be a big step towards Cyber Essentials certification, showing customers and partners that your business takes data protection seriously. For busy business owners, cybersecurity can easily slip down the to-do list. But taking small steps today can prevent huge disruptions, like data loss, reputational damage, or financial penalties, in the future. This toolkit removes confusion and makes it easy for every business owner to start improving their cyber defenses right away. You can access the Cyber Action Toolkit directly on the NCSC website at cybertoolkit.service.ncsc.gov.uk. It's quick to set up, easy to use, and completely free. At Naseems Accountants, we understand how vital digital security is for modern businesses. Our advisors can help you improve compliance, protect your financial and client data, prepare your business for sustainable, secure growth. If you'd like guidance on keeping your business compliant, get in touch with our team today. Visit naseems.co.uk or call us on 01217714161 to book a consultation. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical tips from Naseems Accountants, helping UK businesses grow securely and confidently.